Hey Mecha fans, welcome back for another preview. This time we will be looking at this Petri Dish 2088 Genesis series. This is the Archangel Michael model kit. This will have a height of at least 20 centimeters. This is another Gundam Wing inspired model kit. After the Oberon, now we will be getting this Archangel Michael Wing type model kit. This is just in the prototype stage. Once an actual model comes out for the preview, you will be the first one to know on this channel. And next on the list, finally, a knockoff of the MG F90 Mission Pack. This will be the Pack A type and L type by Ching Shun. This will be priced at 45 RMB, or roughly about $6 US and 14 cents. No release date has been announced, so we'll just have to wait for the official announcement. The Master Grade F90 is sold separately. And last on the list, 012 will be releasing a Master Grade GNX Doom type with cloak 1:100 scale, available by March 2025 for the price of 90 RMB, around $12.28 US. Definitely, this is for checking out if you haven't got a copy yet. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.